Yes, Gitarthi.
Leader is the person who works for people's happiness.
Who works for people's happiness? Yes, very good, very nice. Niveda,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your definition? Who wants to speak next? Yeah, Avish? Yeah? Unmute yourself and speak.
A leader is the person who leads people.
Who leads people? Yeah, yes, good. Yeah, Kavya?
A leader is a person who leads with an example.
Who leads with an example? Very good, yes. Who next? Niveda, yes.
To be my life.
Sorry, we can't hear you.
To win my life.
Sorry?
To win my life.
To be my life. Okay, okay, good, good. So let us clap for ourselves. Let us clap for ourselves and beautiful answers. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. So today we are here to learn the 3 qualities a leader must have. Right? I think that I feel that you all have a pen, pencil, notepad, everything ready. If you do not have, go and grab it quickly in just 30 seconds. Yeah. Keep a note pen, pencil, pen ready. I hope you all have. Right? All right. All right.
Why we have to take a pen and a sheet?
Yeah, yeah. Go and get quickly grab it. Go.
Pen and a sheet.
Yeah. By the time I'm sharing my screen, go and grab. Yeah, is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So let us learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let us learn the 3 qualities of a leader. What are those 3 qualities? The first quality every leader should have is leader has to be
What is the spelling of quality?
Quality. You will get it. You will get the recording. A leader must be courageous. Courageous means what? Courageous means जाके यहाँ वहाँ डिशुम करके मारना नहीं होता है. What is the meaning of being courageous?
Confident.
It takes courage to be confident. Yes. Ekam Raj, what did you understand? Courageous means ले डिशुम करा courageous हो गए. ऐसा क्या? Oh.
Courageous means strong.
Strong, confident. You have that confidence that it is just like I'm just stop writing, and I want you all to imagine a situation. I want you all to imagine a situation. The situation is this, that just imagine. Everyone, please pay attention, Priya. Please sit down at one place for half an hour and pay attention to what I say. Ekam Raj, stop writing and pay attention to what I say. Okay? You just have to imagine a situation where you are standing in front of a crowd. Yeah? It can be your class. It can be your auditorium. It can be a meeting. It can be an interview, anything. You are just standing in front of a crowd to address them because they are expecting something out of you. They are looking up to you, that Gitarti, Priya, Ekamraj, whosoever, that you are going to bring some change into their life. You are that person that is going to change just one life in a crowd of 500 people, 1,000 people. If you are able to change that one life, even one life, then you are a leader. You are a true leader. डर लगता है थोड़ा, बट उससे हमें ऊपर उठना पड़ेगा. वी आर बॉर्न टू बी अ ट्रू लीडर जो लोगों की हेल्प करता है. They want to bring a change. They want to make one life happy, that leading the life happy, not by giving money, by showing them the right path to live, right? So, और हम तो already courageous हैं. We all are courageous. Ask me how. Do you feel that you all are courageous? Do you feel that you all are courageous?
Yes.
हाँ? कितनी बार हम अपने मम्मी पापा से अपनी बात मनवा चुके हैं? मनवाते हैं ना? हम जिद करते हैं ना कि हमें ये. अच्छा, कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि छोटे बच्चे टॉय की शॉप में दे एंटर एंड दे कम आउट विदाउट टॉय? नो, दे बाय समथिंग एंड कम बिकॉज दे आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट. Without that toy, they don't leave that shop. They have such strong convincing power. So you all already have that power. You all are already courageous. You all are already confident. You all already have convincing power. It's just you need to realize what and why. How will you realize? When your why is clear. जब आपको ये पता होगा कि आपको लीडर क्यों बनना है. Your why has to be clear, right? आपका why clear करो. I want you all after the session. There is one question I'm going to ask you all today, right? That is the question. Why do you want to become a leader? वो आप post करोगे बाद में group में. So you are imagining that crowd, you know. You are in front of crowd. Are you scared? You will feel only scared if your why is not clear. Why are you standing in front of the crowd? आप क्यों खड़े हो? आपको क्या करना है वहां स्टेज पे? आपको क्या चेंज करना है? क्या बदलाव लाना है उन लोगों की जिंदगी में? What change? When your why is clear, you are confident. You are courageous. Just imagine कि आपको मोबाइल फोन चाहिए था पेरेंट्स से, राइट? और पेरेंट्स के 1000 बार मना करने के बावजूद they denied 1000 times. You still compelled them to buy a phone for you. How many of you agree? Raise your hands. How many of you all agree? Yes? Yeah? So, your why was clear. Your why was clear that you wanted that mobile phone. Why? Because you had to go online for classes. You had to use it. Today we are living in 21st century tech era. So when your why is clear, you become courageous, you become confident. Correct? तो हमें अपना why clear करना है कि हमें लीडर क्यों बनना है. किसी को हर्ट करने के लिए बनना है? नहीं. किसी को लो फील कराने के लिए बनना है? नहीं. So what is your why? You have to find out, right? Clear? Clear, kids? You have to find out your why.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you time for that. Second is Compassion. Compassion, what is compassion? Compassion is
The affection towards the leadership. Like you should have the complete dedication to be a leader.
that is dedication, dear.
So
Compassion
like affection
is
is like you feel for it. You feel the leadership.
you feel the pain of others. You feel the problems of others as your own problem. You feel the problem of others as your own pain. You just only don't see, you feel it. You feel it. And every one of you here, every child has that compassion within. Just imagine your mama's finger got cut in the kitchen while cutting vegetables. And you just put the ice on it, asked mama to leave everything, you switched off the gas stove burners, and you asked mama to just sit down and relax. I'm not hungry, I don't want to eat, you just sit down and relax. And you just put the ice and you got the band-aid, you called up your dad, and how many things we all did that sometime. Yes, yeah. So that is compassion. Because you were feeling that pain within you. Oh my God, what pain my mama is going through is I'm feeling that. That is the compassion. So when your why is clear, you want to help people. But why? You generate that compassion. You feel that feeling. Right? Then you connect in heart. Connection in heart. Compassion is you connect in heart. Right? You feel what others feel. Don't write, you will get this. Now stop writing. You will get this recording, then you can write. Try to understand now.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
my mom and my grandmother get the injection. I also feel the pain.
Sorry? You felt the pain, right? You felt the pain. Wait. What is happening here? Right? So you all understood what compassion is? Ekam Raj, what is compassion, darling?
Compassion is to feel the pain of the other person that who has some problem.
To feel other person's feeling, not only pain, but all the feelings you feel.
Read this sentence again.
What?
Read this sentence that you have written.
You connect in heart, you feel what others feel. Okay? And the third is?
Compassion.
Communication. What is communication? Communication is always two ways. It's talking. It's talking, communication.
Interaction.
Wait. Yes.
Interaction.
Right? Then second was what? Courageous. Second was what?
Compassion.
Yes.
Compassion.
That is, you connect in heart.
Communication.
You feel what the other person feels. Right? And third is
Communication.
communication. Yes. Communication is always talking, speaking,
Talking. Speaking.
listening. You have to listen. Then if you are the leader, you just don't have to talk always. You have to listen also. You have to be a very good listener. All right? So 3 things are required. Confidence, you being confident, courageous, you compassionate, you have to be compassionate that you feel others feeling, and communication. Just imagine a situation, daily situation. In your house, how many times it happens that mama, papa keeps telling you, children, come on, sit to study, and you don't. You are busy either in TV or in phone, watching some cartoon, watching some movie, and the mama is shouting, Shriya, you have to do your homework. Niveda, Priya, you have to do your homework.
Happened with me. Mom, it's happened with me.
Is it a communication?
No.
Why? Why? Why is it not a communication?
Because we are not listening.
Because you are not responding to mama. So this is not called communication. Communication is when it is a two-way. When, just imagine, how many times did you tell mama, oh mama, your favorite dish. Like mama, I want to eat pizza. I want to eat Maggie. I want to eat burger. I want to eat, what not? Rolls, this, that. And your mama keeps working. It happens? It happens? Huh? It happens, no? It did, yeah? So, how do you feel? How do you feel? What is your feeling when this happens? How do you feel? आपको कैसा लगता है जब मम्मा पापा कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते आपकी बातों को?
Angry.
Angry and you get angry, you feel bad, right? So similarly, if somebody is talking to you, you are not responding, so that person will also feel bad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So there is no communication. A leader has to be very strong in communicating. अपनी बात को ऐसे कहना है कि सामने वाला सुनता है. So these are the 3 qualities. So आज के बाद मम्मा बोलेगी और आप सुनेंगे और मानेंगे भी. If mama is asking you to do something, will you ignore? Will you ignore? No. So you will not be able to become leaders. So your training starts from today. Now, just now. You have to be communicative. And you have to be compassionate. You have to be courageous. Not only in the family, outside also. Right now we are in lockdown. It's already relaxations are going on. Again, the lockdown is happening. These things will go on. This is live. It will go on.
Can you write this point also that you are saying now? Can you
What?
write this point also in, ma'am?
What?
Can you write
What
this
point,
point
darling?
also? That you are speaking now, that we should be strong and we should.
You will get this recording, no, dear? You will get in that. Yeah, in the recording you can get. Right? So, what are the 3 things that we are going to implement from today?
To be courageous, compassionate, and communicative.
Only with your family members or with all?
Communication. Outside also.
Outside with whom?
Miss our friends.
People.
Sorry?
Miss our friends.
So, today,
Other people also. I know them also.
see, leader has to be outside. Did Abdul Kalam was only for his family? If you are only working for your family, then you are not a leader. Or your friends. A leader goes out and help people in the whole world. Yeah, yesterday we spoke about Abdul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, Joe Biden, all these people, right? Rani Lakshmi Bai, all these people, they worked for their nation in the world. How many of you all have watched the speeches of Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad? No, na? So your today's task is that I will be opening the group now, okay? And you will be posting your today's task. Your why has to be clear. Right? Your why has to be clear. When you stand in front of a crowd, you should be as happy to help them as when you get your favorite dish to eat. Pizza, burger, dal makhani, rolls. Oh my God, McD's. You should have that happiness. That happiness can only be there when your why is clear. Your why is clear, that you're satisfying your taste buds, you're filling your stomach. So your why is clear, so you're happy. Right? Leadership is like you know what? Leadership is like you driving a car. You driving a car, you are sitting on the driver's seat, and your people are sitting behind. It's an SUV car where 8 people can sit, and you are driving. So you have the control of steering, you have the control of gears, you have the control on brakes, you have the control on accelerator. Everything is under your control. But why is that control? Because you have taken up the great responsibility of reaching the people sitting in your car to their desired destination. So you are driving that car so carefully, taking the whole responsibility, being confident. Getting my point, Niveda? Shriya, are you understanding or not, dear?
Yes, I'm understanding.
Yeah?
Ma'am.
So today you have to make your why clear. You have to communicate in the family. Not just speak or not just listen. It's two-way. You have to be compassionate. You all are already very compassionate. And only these things will work. You have to make your why clear. It's not about what I want. It's not about what I want. That I want to become an IAS officer, or I want to become a lawyer, or I want to become an engineer or a doctor. No, it's about what people want and I have to give them. Okay? So clear? So let's say that we are leaders.
Yes, ma'am. We all are leaders.
We are
Leaders.
we are the leaders of tomorrow. Where is Ekam Raj? Yeah, let me take a screenshot quickly. All the cameras open. How the beautiful faces. Where is Ekam Raj? He's not there. Yeah. So Preeti Dhariwal, Nishita Vaswani,
Yes, ma'am.
please show your cameras. Please show your beautiful faces. I want to take a snapshot. Screenshot.
Ma'am, I am there. Can you take mine also?
Yeah, I was waiting for you, darling. Yeah, Niharika. So, thumbs up. We all are leaders. Give a big smile. We all are leaders. Where is your thumbs up, Kavya? Mahi? Priyanka? Niveda, where is your thumbs up? We all are leaders. Yes. Hemant ka thumbs up nahi aaya. Yeah, one more. Niharika is now come. We all are leaders. Arey, virtual thumbs up nahi, actual thumbs up. Yeah, big smile. 1, 2, 3. Clap and let me save it. Wait a moment.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you repeat the question of the crowd one?
You have to make your why and post in the group. I'm going to open the group now. And I'm going to post the task in the group. And I'm also going to post a video in the group that you have to watch. And you have to give the answers to the questions what I ask. Okay? Take care. Good night. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Love you.
Ma'am.
Love you.